Freebies are nothing new, but an iPad. Is this offer from RBC is genuine or is it just too good to be true? Let's find out. Hello everyone, this is Ranjit. Welcome back to our channel Canada Techie. The RBC free iPad is what we have to unbox today and it is really exciting. Wow, look at that sleek design with all the latest features. It's Apple's 10th generation model. But wait, you might be thinking, how is RBC giving away iPad for free? In the RBC website, you will find an answer. As it turns out, RBC is providing the free iPad as a temporary promotion for new clients who sign up for their premium banking services. Let's look at the website and find out what the conditions are and which bank accounts we need to open to get the free iPad from RBC. Here is the RBC website. This offer ends July 31st, 2023. If you click on see details, you will get accounts to choose from. One is a signature account which costs $16.95 and another is a VIP account which costs $30 per month. Both accounts will have significant benefits, so based on your requirement, you can select one. If you come down, you will see the conditions to apply for a free iPad from RBC. First one, open an eligible RBC bank account by July 31st, 2023. Second one, set up and complete two of the following by January 9th, 2024. First one is your payroll or pension as a direct deposit and 2 pre-authorized monthly payments or 2 bill payments to a service provider. Let's unbox my iPad. As always, it's important to read the fine print. There are some eligibility criteria and monthly fees involved, but overall it seems like a pretty good deal. So to answer the question, yes, the RBC free iPad is legit. But remember, it's only available for a limited time and terms and conditions apply. So there you have it, folks. The RBC free iPad is no scam. If you are in the market for a new iPad and looking for premium banking services, this might be the perfect opportunity for you. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more exciting content. Until then, keep smiling. Bye-bye.